Welcome to ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks. We anticipated the future, carefully adopting expansive and innovative measures to prepare for what's to come. Persistently focused on finding the most technologically advanced and sustainable solutions to ensure a safer and greener tomorrow. ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks, a story about resilience and cutting-edge manufacturing technology. Here, challenges and uncertainty are welcomed with open arms. We have created success from the unknown and the unproven, cementing ourselves as cutting-edge developers of industry-leading technology. Every day, we challenge ourselves to find a better way to innovate vehicle structures that lead the industry into a sustainable future. We do so through constant collaboration with ArcelorMittal's global research and development facilities to develop groundbreaking technologies that improve manufacturing quality and simplify assembly for automotive companies. We do this to reduce vehicle cost and weight while improving crash performance. We have made a lifelong commitment to a safer and greener tomorrow with our partners. And it is this commitment that drives us to innovate revolutionary technologies in laser welded blanks. Since our first plant was established in Concord, Ontario in 1997, we have expanded our market across North America. Growth has allowed us to continuously learn and develop our strategy to adapt automotive needs. We have introduced ArcelorMittal Multi-Part Integration, which is the best-in-class vehicle body structure solution. Here is where design meets sustainability. Using our laser welding expertise, we co-engineer parts for vehicles of the future that are environmentally and economically conscious. Most importantly, our parts save lives. Our vision for the future is clear. We are driving the change to find a better way for a safer and greener tomorrow. Tenacity lives in our core, and we do what we say we will do. If something does not work, we are not afraid to challenge ourselves and each other. Safety for us is imperative, and every day we practice safety in everything we do. Our workplace is fueled by entrepreneurial professionals who always operate with respect and a deep sense of team spirit, because at ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks, we win together and we lose together. ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks is the leader in developing superior steel technologies in the automotive industry with a determination to achieve carbon neutrality. We have produced millions of parts for the automotive industry, received numerous honorary awards from our partners and governments for unwavering product excellence. Our journey continues as we strive to improve, grow, learn, and lead the change toward a safer and greener tomorrow for people and the planet. ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks, driving a safer and greener tomorrow.